Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover the topic real numbers and decimal expansions. So as previously studied, we all know about real numbers, okay? But now in this video, we will cover actually what the decimal expansion means for the real numbers. Okay, so it's written there, decimal expressions are a way of writing real numbers using a decimal point. Okay, so before giving any definitions or example, I simply write. We all are familiar with decimal numbers like 2.3 or any random example you can take by yourself. 3.2. Okay, so all such decimal expansions which are written there or you can write by yourself are the real numbers, or we can say these both are decimal representation of real numbers. Okay, now there are some types of decimals. The first one is terminating decimals. Terminating means which ends. Okay, it's written there after point decimal we have only single term 3, so we can say after decimal the written terms will be end, it's only one, so this one is terminating, it's also terminating. And in the definition it's written have a finite number of digits after the decimal points. It's more simple, like example this one 0.25, 0.25. Like after decimal we have only two terms, 2 and 5, and they are finite, so we can say these are terminating. And we can pick this example also, minus 0.0025. So after minus 7 we have only four terms and they are finite, so it's also terminating. Okay, now the next one we have repeating or reoccurring decimals, which means if we have any term like 0.1 and it does not terminate but it repeats like 1 1 1 1 and goes on. Okay, its value is not changing, the same value is reappearing again and again. So repeating decimals here have a digit or a group of digits that repeat infinitely. Okay, first of all we will do for digit, after that we will do for group of digits. Okay, so it's written there 0.3. Okay, I am highlighting this one, there is something like that, straight line over 3, it's the bar and it is the visual representation. If above any number we have this, so it means 3 is repeating many times. Okay, for example, if we have 2.31 and we have bar upon 31, it means 31 is repeating infinite times, 2.31 31 31. Okay, and it goes on. So repeating recurring decimals is this one. Now after that we have non-repeating non-terminating decimals, which means the value after decimal is not finite but it does not repeat as well. Okay, it's written there digits continue infinitely without repeating and generally they are irrational numbers. Okay, some examples are also there. It's written pi is equal to 3.14159265. Okay, we can also check like we have one there but it does not repeat in any specific pattern, one is also there but after that we don't have. So such type of numbers in which after decimal we have different values of decimal numbers and they are non-terminating, they are irrational numbers, and they are non-repeating non-terminating as well. I am giving one more example, very easy. 1.010010001, we are increasing the number of 0 in each time, 00001. So there is not any specific pattern for repeating of terms, so it's also irrational. Now at the last of this video, I will take some example and will explain you how we can write the decimal expansion of any number. So we have to find the decimal expansion of, let us say it is 10 by 3, and we have to find is it terminating or not. So if we solve for decimal expansion, first of all we have to divide 10 divided by 3. We know 3 3s are 9, minus remainder is there 1. We can use decimal, then there 0 8 3 times, again 9, minus 1. We know we have decimal there, so 0 3 times 3 is 9, again remainder is 1. Now look there, we also get remainder 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 3 is repeating after decimal. So we can directly say the decimal expansion of 10 by 3 is equal to 3.33, and it goes on. And we know if some fixed value is repeating again and again, we can say is equal to 3 bar. Bar denotes that 3 is repeating many times. So we can write 10 by 3 is equal to 3.3 bar. Okay. And for this one, is it terminating or not? We can say it's not terminating. 3 is repeating many times. So all the topics which are required to understand this one are clear. So it's all for today's video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile. Thanks and keep practicing. Bye.